What's up, y'all? This is Michael Franti, and I'm here at Showlivre.com. We're going to play a couple songs. I brought my buddy Jay here. How's it going, Jay?
What's up, y'all?
And first song we're going to play is The Sound of Sunshine, so check it out. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3.
I had a time for every pill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's high. Time's young, so I jump back in where I learned to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. Sunshine coming down, down, down. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, 3. So my friend Bobby, he said, "What's up, man? You got a little work for 20 to lend." I opened up my hand and said, "I'm glad to see they can take away my job, but not my friends, you see." And here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by, pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Put your hands together, y'all. Come on now. Here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends, with my guitar on the beach there with all my friends. So hot in the waves of motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girls so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles will never cease, and every single song needs a little releasing. Stereo bumping till the sun goes down, and I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Jay, can you play that guitar now? Woo! There you go. Woo! There you go, baby. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Rockin' in the dance hall, moving with you. Hey Papa, kick off your shoes. Rockin' in the dance hall, moving with you. Hey mama, those to you. Rockin' in the dance hall.